Hello again, a new day, a new project, and winter is here, it's been snowing already, and of course Christmas is coming with a lot of fun and a lot of problems in the same time. Look there, you see that little light? That light over there is driven by batteries, AAA batteries. So the season is in a massive need of batteries, and that's why I bought this kind of AA Akkus rechargeables from Kaufland. It's supposed to have 950 milliamps hour, and this is a really good capacity, and the price was amazing nice, around €1 a piece. Okay, but the point is that I'm not sure how reliable are them and if they are really saying the truth about this. And it's exactly what I'm going to do today. I'm going to use my Charson to give a test. I mean, a couple of charging and discharging, and eventually I know for sure the real capacity of these rechargeable batteries. So let's start with something practical. So I'm going to start with having some internal resistance measurements. I'm using this special tool. This is a really interesting and nice instrument to have it all around. I have a video about that, and this is a very useful multimeter for testing internal resistance and also for having low resistance measurements. Let's take these things out from the plastic. I got 4 of them for now. If they prove they are okay, I'm going to buy the whole shop. This price, they are really interesting. And I'm also using this kind of AA Akkus or rechargeables for this kind of night lamps with motion sensor. This is very useful. I have a few of these all around the house for the night. And like I said, let's start with some internal resistance measurements. 27.4. Okay, let's write these things down. This is number 1, and we have 27 milliohms. Number 2, well, it doesn't really matter if it's plus or minus, the result will be the same. Here, 26.3. Nice. Okay, number 2. 26, 27, almost 28, let's say 28. Okay, I can't read it here, but I can put it down here. 28, number 3, this was 26. Okay, and the last one, 26. Rule here is as low as possible. The internal resistance should be as low as possible. And in compare, I have an old one, an used one. And let's have a check. 0.3 ohms. This is really bad. Okay, let me have some more. Okay, let me see this one sitting here. These are also old stuff, used, charging and discharged for many times. So I don't expect any results. Any good results, in fact. 0.2 ohms. Okay. 154 milliohms. So you can see it's a really huge difference. Okay, I have some more here. 100, 0.2, 0.6. Oh, these are so gone. But the point is that it can be used for more inside remote controls and low power devices. Even this kind of infrared lights, they are just switching on for a couple of seconds and that's it. Okay, so until now everything is okay. Really nice low resistance. I want to check the internet to see what's the charging current, or maybe they are saying here something about this. So it's like maximum 1 hour with 950 50 milliamps. Okay, so that means I can charge and discharge with 1C. 1C means the true capacity of the rechargeable. That's a good thing because that means I don't spend too much time with doing all these cycles. We got 12 volts here, power on. This, by the way, this is a really nice charger. I really recommend this. If you check my channel, I have some videos about this. It's a really interesting machine. And I'm gonna use some magnets. Oh yeah, that's perfect here to have a proper contact. And let's go to the nickel metal hydride batteries. Charging, okay, let's say 900 milliamps, 900 with 900 milliamps too, down to 1 volt should be the limit. Perfect. And now I'm gonna have 2 cycles, it's enough for each battery, like discharging, charging, and again discharging and charging, because I want in the final to have the element charged. Okay, so that's it for now. Let's go and start the test. I'll be back after a couple of hours. Okay, after a few hours and a cycle of 4, here are the results. And charging, dischargings, and finally we have around 700 and let's say 50 milliamps, like I expected. 25, almost 22% less than it should be. Let's go further. So here I am again after 4 hours with the second rechargeable. We have these results: 834, 825, 822. So I think the capacity, you see that this charging one is going to the same, let's say 738, let's say 740, and I'll stop it here. Okay, so here we are with number 4. After one night, let's have some results. Still charging, cycle number 4. So we have discharge one 691, 729, 736, 737, and still charging number 4. I will disconnect that, it's enough for now. So I will consider number 4. No, it's number 3, I'm sorry. So here we are, number 4, the last one. I don't want to stress it anymore anyway. So we have a discharge 658, another charge 768, but this is the one 719, and I think this is very relevant for today. So finally, let's say number 4, it's like okay, 26 milliohms with 720 milliamps hour. These are the results. Let's have a medium of 740, 28% less than advertised. 28%. It's almost 1/3 of the capacity. I don't know, what shall I say? Kaufland, this is not right. Thank you for now. I hope it's useful. See you soon with some other projects. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Most important thing, don't forget to have fun. Bye bye.